Connect start and plot V-curves for synchronous motor under different excitation and load conditions.
Hello everyone. Today we'll be looking into the process of electrician practical session to connect, start and plot V-curves for synchronous motor under different excitations and load conditions.
Objectives. At the end of this exercise you shall be able to connect the synchronous motor with its starter. Start and run the synchronous motor with its starter. Plot the V-curve. Tools Instruments. Trainees Toolkit 1 number. Moving ion ammeter 0 to 10 ampere 1 number. Moving coil ammeter 0 to 1 ampere 1 number. Moving ion voltmeter 0 to 500 volt 1 number. Frequency meter 45 to 55 Hz 1 number. Tachometer 0 to 10,000 RPM 1 number. Equipment machines. Synchronous motor 3 kV, 500 volt 3 phase 50 Hz with suitable starter 1 number. DC source suitable for the given synchronous motor 1 number. PPIC switch 32 ampere 500 volt 1 number. DPIC switch 16 ampere to 50 volt 1 number. Field rheostat suitable for above motor 1 number. Materials. Connecting leads as required. Task 1. Connect the synchronous motor, start, run and test it. Make the connections as per circuit diagram. Show the connections to your instructor and get his approval. Close TPIC switch and DPIC. Adjust the field current to its rated value as per nameplate detail. Hold push button S to depressed and start the motor by operating switch S1. Make sure that push button S2 is pressed before energizing the motor at the time of starting. When S2 is depressed, DC supply to field is disconnected and field winding terminals F1 and F2 are shorted. After the rotor attains maximum speed, say 95% of the synchronous speed, release push button S2, that is, field winding is excited by DC supply. With field winding excited, the motor gets pulled into synchronism and runs at synchronous speed. Measure speed, supply voltage, frequency, line current and field excitation current and record in table 2. Calculate the synchronous speed of the motor by using the formula. Compare the synchronous speed with the measured speed and ensure measured speed is equal to synchronous speed. Task 2. Plot the V-curve for synchronous motor under different excitation and load condition. Start and run the synchronous motor to its maximum speed without load. Adjust the field current by adjusting the field rheostat and take the readings of armature current and field current. Note down the readings in Table 1 and plot the V-curves for synchronous motor under different excitation and load conditions in a separate graph sheet. The same procedure has to be repeated for loaded condition.
Now you have learnt to connect the synchronous motor with its starter. Start and run the synchronous motor with its starter. Plot the V curve. Hope you had a clear understanding on this technical process. Thank you.